SWANAMB Solar Panel Connector Crimping Tool Kit, your solar installation essential. The SWANAMB Solar Panel Connector Crimping Tool Kit is your go-to solution for streamlined solar panel installations and maintenance. This kit comes equipped with essential tools to ensure a seamless assembly process. Here's a breakdown of what makes this kit a must-have for anyone working with solar panels. Solar Crimper Tool. The Solar Crimper tool in this kit is designed to provide perfect crimps on 14, 12, and 10 AWG, 2.5/4.0/6 mm superscript 2, solar cables. With precise crimping, you can guarantee the secure connection of your solar cables, contributing to the overall efficiency of your solar panel setup. Purpose: the SWANAMB Solar Panel Connector Crimping Tool Kit is purpose-built for quick and easy installation and maintenance of solar panels. Whether you're setting up a new solar array or need to make adjustments to an existing system, this kit has you covered. Solar panel spanners. Included in the kit are a pair of solar connector spanners. These spanners are essential for locking and unlocking solar connectors. They make the process of connecting and disconnecting your solar panels a breeze, saving you time and effort. Application: the kit contains 15 pairs of solar connectors, suitable for various applications such as RVs, boats, trailers, campers, marine systems, and off-grid setups. No matter where you're working with solar panels, these connectors ensure a reliable connection. Solar Crimper Tool Kit. In addition to the individual components, this kit offers an improved energy utilization efficiency. By using these tools to maintain and assemble photovoltaic systems, you can ensure the proper functioning of your solar panels. This, in turn, maximizes the utilization of solar energy and its conversion into usable electricity. Ultimately, the SWANAMB Solar Panel Connector Crimping Tool Kit enhances energy utilization efficiency and contributes to a more sustainable energy source. In conclusion, the SWANAMB Solar Panel Connector Crimping Tool Kit is an indispensable toolset for anyone involved in solar panel installation and maintenance. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, this kit streamlines the process and ensures efficient and reliable solar energy utilization. If you've already recognized the value of this kit, you're well on your way to mastering solar panel installations.